Okay guys, so today we are going to make arroz con gandules, Puerto Rican way, right? So right here I have part boiled rice. I have my Goja gandules. I like Iberias too. Okay, I have some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, salad olives. I have Pigeon. Okay, it's like a coloring that we use. I have my chicken broil. If you could use vegetable stock if you want. I have my sazon. I have whole oregano. Okay. You see, it's whole. I like to crunch it, it gives it better taste. And of course, my star, my RICO. All right, so we're gonna get started. Okay, so we have the medium fire on. I have my whole can of gandules here that I have rinsed out. I do not use the water because that's where they cook. They actually cook these beans and these gandules and chickpeas and all that inside the can. Therefore, all the gases are forced out inside that can, so it goes in those juices. And of course, we already know if we eat it like that, what our natural body does. So I do my best not to add the water to it. One thing I also like using, not all the time, depends what I'm eating this with, what I have to take. I like using liquid smoke, just very little. You know, a lot of people, they use tocino, they use pork to get that flavor. I just add like a dash of liquid flavor to it. I like that liquid smoke to work its magic with the gandules. It goes right inside of them, right? I add some garlic powder. Again, it's really no measurement. I just cover the top of it. Some onion powder. Again, no measurement. I just cover the top of it. Black pepper. Again, some people have problems with eating pepper and stuff like that. Again, you could take and adjust the recipe that works for you and your family, right? I add a whole envelope sazon. A whole envelope of the chicken broil. Sometimes I use the brand Nor. It depends what I have on hand. Again, there's no right or wrong way. Whatever works for you and your family, right? Look at that color already. I like to saute things before I add rice and all of that. I grab some olives. I love olives in my rice. Again, you adjust this recipe how you want it for your family. It already smells so good, guys. It smells so good. Okay, I add the Pigeon. gives it such a nice color. I'm gonna get some more. And I do a pinch of the oregano. You see, it's whole oregano, like that. I don't buy that crushed stuff. That stuff don't have no flavor. And then I crush it myself with my hands. Woo! Smells so good, guys. I could just eat these just like this. You could do this. Saute these. And pour it and make your own salad. I mean, you just make everything your own. And now I'm about to add the RICO, which I show you guys. You could go and look at my video how to make the RICO. 1, 2, 3. Again, RICO is a blend of cilantro, onions, bell pepper, and garlic, and olive oil. And again, we usually cook this in a pot that is called caldero. I lost my caldero when I was moving, so I have to invest in one. But for now, I'm using what I have. Okay, I'm pretty sure not everybody has a caldero. But we all got a frying pan, a small pot, or whatever. So I'm gonna let this saute just a little bit. Let me get my spoon holder. I don't like putting my spoons on the counter. Voila. Now I come back and I stir it a little bit more. I think I'm gonna need just a little bit more oil. I usually use olive oil, but I'm out of olive oil today, guys. But I use a lot of olive oil in a lot of my dishes. And even avocado oil I've been using lately too. But I will start showing you different recipes and different things. So I grab, for my measurement, because it's only me and my hubby right now, and I'd like to cook for 2 days. I grab 3 of these. I think that will be like maybe a cup and a half of rice. I prefer to have more of the gandules than the rice, you know, but to each his own. If you know you like more rice, plus you know you got a bigger family, a can goes a long way. Just add more rice to it. I like to saute my rice before I add water. For some reason, to me, it grabs the taste of the fresh ingredients. It almost like sucks it in, and the color and all of that. You have a smooth end finish. So I like to saute it just for a minute or 2 before I add the water to it. Then I'm gonna show you the trick that I was taught of how to measure if it had enough water for the rice that you have in there. So that will be good. So I start adding. I have it on high fire also, by the way, between high and medium. I would say high and medium, okay? a little bit more water. As you can see, I didn't add no salt to it because the sazon and the chicken broth already has salt. So I'm not gonna add salt. Right? But if you like things more salty, which, you know, it's your choice. I don't recommend it, you know, high blood pressure and everything. But again, you do what works for you and your family. So this is what I do, guys. I put my spoon in there. As soon as I feel it touches the bottom, it should be less than half in the water level. And that's perfect for me. Okay? And now we let it cook down. Okay, guys, this is the arroz con gandules. You see how it's looking when the water start drying out. So now at this moment, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and lower my fire to low. I'm gonna give it a, bring the from the bottom, little mountain like this. After I had turned it, and I'm gonna cover this on low and let it continue to cook for at least another 10-15 minutes. Okay? So guys, this is how the arroz con gandules is looking. So beautiful. I'm gonna give it a turn. This time I turned it, but I'm not doing a mountain. I'm not pressing it down. And I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for another 5 minutes or so until the rice is completely tender. Okay guys, this rice, I just turned off the rice. Look at that smoke coming out of that rice. But look how loose that rice is. Look at that beautiful color. This is what you want. Look at that. Okay, and it, like I said, you adjust the recipe how you want it, how you like it. This is how my family and I like it, and I am telling you guys, this rice is delicious, delicious.